Since the Nintendo Switch 2 hasn't been released yet, we'll focus on connecting wired controllers to the current Nintendo Switch family. Understanding these methods will help you get the most out of your gaming experience. There are currently three main Nintendo Switch models available. The original Switch and OLED model both support docked and handheld modes, while the Switch Lite is designed exclusively for handheld gaming. When your Switch is docked, connecting wired controllers is straightforward. The dock provides multiple USB-A ports specifically designed for controller connections. The process is simple. Place your Switch in the dock, connect your wired controller to any available USB-A port, and the system will recognize it automatically. No additional setup is required for officially licensed controllers. For handheld mode, the connection process is slightly different. The Nintendo Switch has a USB-C port at the bottom that can be used for wired controller connections. Most wired controllers use USB-A connectors, so you'll need a USB-C to USB-A adapter to connect them in handheld mode. This adapter allows you to use your favorite wired controller even when playing on the go. Nintendo offers several officially licensed wired controller options. The Pro Controller is the premium choice, featuring direct USB-C connectivity that eliminates the need for adapters. For budget-conscious gamers, licensed third-party options from PowerA and Hori provide excellent alternatives. These controllers offer reliable performance and are specifically designed for Nintendo Switch compatibility. Here are the essential points to remember when connecting wired controllers to your Nintendo Switch. Always use officially licensed controllers to ensure the best compatibility and performance. In docked mode, simply connect your controller directly to the USB-A ports on the dock. For handheld mode, you'll typically need a USB-C to USB-A adapter unless you're using a Pro Controller. Remember that the Switch Lite only supports handheld mode, so docked gaming isn't an option with this model. However, you can still enjoy wired controllers using the USB-C port and appropriate adapters. The most important advice is to always choose officially licensed controllers. These ensure proper compatibility, reliable performance, and the best gaming experience on your Nintendo Switch. When your Nintendo Switch is docked, connecting a wired controller is straightforward. The dock provides multiple USB ports specifically designed for controller connections. Step 1. Locate the USB-A ports on the back or side of your Nintendo Switch dock. These rectangular ports are clearly visible and designed for easy access. Step 2. Simply plug your wired controller's USB connector into any available USB-A port. The connection should be firm and secure. Step 3. The controller should be recognized automatically within a few seconds. You'll see the player indicator lights activate on your controller. Now let's look at handheld mode, which requires a slightly different approach since the Switch console itself has different ports. For handheld mode, you'll need to connect directly to the Nintendo Switch console using the USB-C port located at the bottom of the device. Step 1. You'll likely need a USB-C to USB-A adapter since most wired controllers use USB-A connectors. This small adapter bridges the connection between your controller and the Switch. Step 2. Connect your wired controller to the adapter. Then plug the adapter into the USB-C port at the bottom of your Nintendo Switch console. Next, we need to check the system settings to ensure your controller is properly configured and recognized by the Nintendo Switch. To verify your controller connection and adjust settings, navigate to the System Settings menu from your Nintendo Switch home screen. From the home screen, scroll down to find the System Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Select this to enter the Settings menu. In the Controllers and Sensors menu, look for the Pro Controller Wired Communication option. This setting must be enabled for wired controllers to function properly in handheld mode. If you encounter any issues with your wired controller, here are the most common troubleshooting steps that resolve the majority of connection problems. Controller not recognized. Try these troubleshooting steps in order. Most connection issues can be resolved with these simple solutions. First, try connecting to a different USB port. Sometimes individual ports can have issues, and switching to another port immediately resolves the problem. Second, restart your Nintendo Switch console. This clears any temporary connection issues and refreshes the controller detection system. Third, check that Pro Controller wired communication is enabled in your system settings. This is essential for proper wired controller functionality. Finally, ensure your system software is up to date. Nintendo regularly releases updates that improve controller compatibility and fix connection issues. Here are the key takeaways to remember for successful wired controller connections and optimal gaming experience. Remember these important points. Always use officially licensed controllers for guaranteed compatibility. Keep your system software updated for the latest controller support. Enable Pro Controller wired communication in settings for handheld mode. When troubleshooting, try different ports first, then restart your console if needed. Following these steps will ensure your wired controller works reliably with your Nintendo Switch, providing you with responsive gaming performance and a stable connection.